napakaganda. As you can see, whole this is so you can touch the spotted crystallized stone white color. Yan, napakaganda guys. So yan, ito. This is all our new collection stones. So yan guys, ito yung mga bago nating collections. So napakaganda ng mga collections nito. Mostly, so many are 3 agates, and we have a jasper, green jasper. Yeah. So different stone collections. Napakaganda guys. See you guys for the next video. So watch out for the next video and updated videos in our channel. So see you guys for the next video. To God be the glory.